Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today we are making rustic white beans and mushrooms. This dish is going to go great with a previous side that we made, the tomato couscous. I think they're going to go well together, especially since that's what they say in the cookbook. So, as always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is go back in time to last night, or at least 8 hours, because you want to soak some white beans. You can get whatever white beans you want. These are cannellini beans. You need 2 cups. Soak it overnight in water. You can leave it out on the counter. You won't die. If you do, I apologize. But you want to make sure they're soaking for at least 8 hours, and they will soak up quite a bit of water. You can't use canned. Don't even try it. If you've never soaked beans before, then this is an adventure for you. So you're welcome. All right. After these are soaked, we're going to drain them, give them a good rinse, and then we're going to throw them in a pot. Before we start boiling this, grab a stalk of celery, grab a carrot, and grab an onion. We're going to chop them up. We're not going to eat these, so you don't have to get like super choppy with them. Add 4 cups of water. We're going to cover this and bring to a boil. All right, we are boiling. We're gonna let this boil for about 3 minutes, and we're gonna skim off any of the white foam that's on top. All right, now we're gonna lower the heat to a medium, and we're gonna put in our celery, onion, and our carrot, as well as your tarragon and thyme. Cover it back up. And we're gonna simmer this for about 45 minutes, just until the beans are nice and tender. We've got about 20 minutes or so left, so let's start preparing our other veggies. You're gonna need a half a pound of cremini mushrooms sliced thinly, or if you wanna get oyster or any other mushroom, go ahead. And a leek. And you want to get 2 cloves of garlic. All right, let's check our pot. We're going to remove our vegetables without burning yourself. Gonna get some tongs. Now we want this to be a thick stew, not so much a soup. So we're gonna keep it boiling. We're gonna put it on a low though. Fun fact, cannellini beans, also known as white kidney or Italian beans, have more dietary fiber than red beans, which means they're the best bean to fight cancer. And that's not all. They'll also lower bad cholesterol, help you lose weight, and reduce your risk of diabetes. Indeed, they are magical fruit. Now, I am going to move this to a different burner because we're going to start on our mushrooms and our leeks. Grab a skillet, and we're going to place 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're going to add our garlic right away because it says to do this in a cold skillet. We're going to put the skillet on a medium heat, and then as soon as the garlic starts sizzling, we're going to let it do that for 30 seconds. Then we're going to add our leeks, and we're going to saute this for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Until it gets nice and soft. All right, now that these are soft, we're gonna put these into the bean pot. And now we're gonna put our remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil into our skillet. And we're gonna let this heat up for about 30 seconds. And then we're gonna add our mushrooms. And we're gonna sprinkle these mushrooms with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to saute this anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes till most of the water has evaporated. All right, most of our liquid is gone. So we're going to add this to the bean pot. Turn off the burner. We're going to add our remaining salt to it. Pepper to taste. This smells so comforting. All right, so we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then we can eat. Let's try it. All right, so if you're wondering what this is, I've already made it. It's tomato couscous with capers. It's delicious as well. So I happen to have some. The beans are nice, tender, creamy. This does seem like a old country type of meal. So I guess that's why they say rustic. Doesn't really need any additional flavoring. It's good with the couscous too. I approve. Nothing better than just a nice comforting meal. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I'd love you for it. Make sure to comment and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Meow. Meow. Meow.